Spika wa Mbunge Nene Wetangula Niwathyuthya Nzama ya Kuikiithya Wiano na Uumwe Ncic Kuikiithya Niyakwata Muikiio Ingi Kuma kula kwi Akenya na Kuikiithya Niyathukuma Wayo wa Kuete Uumwe Kila Ivinda inete Ivinda ya Usakuani Yoka Wetangula Kukulya Ncic kuthukuma imwamba na movia wa kwika ukunikiliwa isolo DCI na ulawa makwani ma ene nthini kana kuthukuma undu violate Titus makaona mavoaso.
Spika wa Mbunge ya National Assembly Wetangula Mwamienda Nzama ya Wiano wamba isi onde bake na kululumelelia Muikiio Wayo kula kwi Akenya na kwithiwa na kianda kinene nthini wa kutungia mugwe bandi Akenya miaka yonthe indi ti Ivinda ya Usakuani Yoka iweta Nzama itaile kuthinikia mathina ala mekumbila wia Wayo ni kana ndikooneketa yumila Ivindani ya Usakuani.
Because I'm very sure, Bishop, after 10th August 2027, we shall not hear of you until 2032. Yes, 2031, you'll just pop up and be very active again and make very big statements all over, on TV, everywhere. As soon as the elections are over, off you go. But you can help IEBC improve their code of conduct.
Wangine wamienda Nzama kuthukuma kwa bakuve na muvea wake somo ni kana kwa ili ngwatanio katikati wa moika.
As a commission, you need to brush your image now. Or you want to cut a niche for yourself as a commission that goes on to record as helping the Minister of Education to shape the curriculum of Kenya in calculating patriotic thinking in our children, eliminating hate speech from our children, eliminating negative ethnicity from our communities, and so on and so forth.
Wange Spika Niwamienda Nzama aena isisi kulomelelia ngwatanio yona mebea ya kutungilela mugwo ondu mwana Nzama ya Usakuani na mebakanika na kuonania wia Wayo.
So for you to be effective from where I sit, you need some very serious collaboration with other agencies, so that even as primary actors, you must have a feeder group that you feed. For example, an MOU with the DPP, have an MOU with the DCI, have an MOU with ESCC, have an MOU with all those bodies that do identical work or can help further what you do, so that whatever you do does not go to gather dust in certain offices.
Mwene kipila wa Nzama ya Kuete Uumwe Bishop wa mae weta Nzama ine kuendea kukwatiania namba isi onde kwizila atumia atongo imandini na kutongo ya langi ondo umwena kwa kisomo masukulune.
Want to come up with a strategy of engaging communities. We use the elders, we use the Bakumi elders, what we call community engagement. Polarization, like I've mentioned, we would want to make sure that hate speech does not or is not tolerated at all. Let political leaders campaign along issues, not personality.
Nilipotea bilingo mwaboni tawa Titus makao.